huge on collagen, huge. I love collagen supplements. This is the Reliv AM Support Collagen Energy Drink Mix, and this is in peach mango. This is like your smooth start to a sharper, more balanced morning. So that's what it looks like. And my first impression definitely stood out for its clean, plant-based formula, and the peach mango flavor was very refreshing. I have it here in my water bottle. Delicious. I like the packaging. The scoop is so convenient. It's in there. Scoop is so convenient. And literally, I just put it in my water bottle with cold water. And I did do a bit of ice, but shook it up. And it is a light tropical start to the day. Why I like this AM support, the collagen and the amino acids, this is really a nice combination for that daily nourishment of collagen with no real extra pills. The ginseng and the Superfruit blend definitely adds that energizing flavor twist. Crisp, not overly sweet. My final verdict here. This is really designed for people who want a morning drink that is so quick and so easy, clean and refreshing. This one gives a real easy way to incorporate the collagen and the plant-based ingredients in your daily routine. Very simple to scoop and shake and drink and enjoy. So if you enjoy a light tropical flavor with just a touch of sophistication, this one is worth adding to your shelf. This review is sponsored by Reliv.